Okay, it's July 17th, 2020. We're out here at 6000 Southford Road, Northport. This is the Aldi store. What's the location number?
Aldi number 64.
Okay.
Give me your name.
My name's Colin Schubert over at Schubert Plumbing.
I'm Bert Beckman with Deerfield Construction. We're going to video this from the faraway clean out to the street, where we tie into the sanitary outside.
We've got the camera sitting in the line now at the furthest clean out inside, and we're at our first fitting, which is a Y, roughly 3.5 feet down.
Yep, here we go.
Second fitting.
Yeah, second clean out. That is actually the hub drain for the cooler.
Continuing on.
That was a hub drain that was abandoned when they moved the door of the cooler.
Another Y, 22 feet.
That was the second clean out for the cooler.
Going on.
This should be like a new fitting.
Yeah, it looks like a new fitting was added.
This is the new fitting for the evac.
25 feet down.
Heading down, heading down, heading down. Good flow still.
55 feet down. Fitting 72 feet.
It's the first clean out for the freezer.
Continuing on.
Hub drain for the freezer.
36 feet.
Hub drain for the freezer.
102 feet.
Mop sink.
116 feet.
Still got flow. Bathroom clean out.
130.
Outside clean out.
Outside the building.
Now we're into the site piping and we still got flow. That ends this tape.